Another day, another bay na naman tayo. For today, we have CX06 Fox Brush. So it's another gacha Beyblade booster pack. And actually kahit saan dito, okay lang. Maganda yung gold, maganda yung black, and maganda yung prize bay. Yung black actually, sabi nila, is yung pinakamabigat. Wala akong scale, so hindi natin matatryan. So what I want is the prize bay, of course. Kasi meron siya yung bagong bit, which is the Gear Rush. Let's start unboxing. Hindi talaga matatapos yung lason ng Beyblade. Papa-competitive ka man or casual lang, bibili at bibili ka pa rin talaga ng iba't ibang Beyblade. Anti-spoiler. Hindi natin titignan yung card. Pang-pop natin. Tapo natin. Kasi, black. So, it's sealed. Rekta na tayo sa blade. Kala mo barbero. Wala natin price bag! Let's go! Yes sir! New rush! 970! Solid! So hindi siya pantay-pantay. Mas mabigat ito. Meron siyang 9 blades kasi 9-tailed fox. Pinakamabigat yung isa. 970, the Gear Rush tip. Ganda ng colors. Grabe. Solid. Actually, I think this is one of the best, if not the best, CX Bay currently. In terms of design. Performance, di ko pa alam. Ang ganda. Sheesh. GG, well played. Ito na ang sign na bumili ka ng CX06. And that's it for today's Another Day, Another Bay. And remember, fear the blader, not the bay.